What's up, YouTube? Back here with another video for you guys. We just pulled up at She-Ra, South Carolina, picking up another load of them empty recycled soda cans. It's been a long night. We started I want to say 6 p.m. yesterday. We picked up a load from Rosedale, Maryland, and then that went in and delivered at Landover, Maryland. That was a night load that we normally do, and we didn't get off the door until about, I want to say like 2 a.m. So once we got unloaded, then we just headed straight down here to South Carolina, and we just pulling up literally like a half an hour ago. We checked in, and they got us right on the door, so can't complain. We get loaded, we shooting right back to Belcamp, Maryland to deliver this, and we chilling for the rest of the week. We're gonna enjoy our week and start fresh Monday morning. But I did the pre-trip, was doing a pre-trip this morning, and I noticed something. One of our tires was flat. So I get to checking, get to looking around at the tire, and I realized we have a nail in the tire. Just our luck. Right before we got hit the road, we got a nail in the tire and the tire's flat. So I get to the TA. Of course, they too busy. It's a long wait for them to get us in to try to fix the tire. So they give us a repair kit. So they gave us a repair kit, and I didn't attempt to try to repair it right then and there because we still had to hurry up and make our appointment time for that drop-off that we had. And plus I didn't have no way to put air back in it because of course the airlines was down at that TA. And it was just crazy. So we ended up just delivering there, and then we just hit the road down south, and we got around to a TA in Virginia, stopped there, and was able to get our airline hooked straight up to the glad hands, and you able to put air in the tire. Which is a very good investment. One of my other close homeboys got one, and he told me about it a long time ago, and I never did it, and I wish I did because I needed one at that point in time, but now I got one. So guess what? I plugged plenty of tires, regular tires, but I never plugged one of these tires, so I'm hoping that it's still around the same way. So y'all get to come with me and watch me do this. Don't talk about me in the comments if I do it wrong or if I mess up. I'm still a rookie out here. Roberto. He too cool for school. Let y'all see this nail we got right there. This is how you can check to see if it's leaking. Got anything to get spray on it? And see it's bubbling. That means it's leaking. Oh yeah, she really leaking. She is leaking bad. But don't worry, we're gonna fix that. Pull it. Yeah. God dang. Really leaking there. We're gonna fix that right up. Man, Rob came through, saved the day. Plugged the tire, because I couldn't do it. He got us right. It ain't pretty, but she holding, and then it get us back home. She holding. Now, I wouldn't recommend y'all to plug the tire because it's not DOT approved, but this was an emergency right here, and we took the chance of driving all the way down here with the flat tire. Thanks to God, you know, nothing happened, but I just wasn't trying to chance it to take it back up like that. So we got the plugs, we put it in, it's holding air, it's gonna get us back home because it's the end of the week. So we just trying to get back home, deliver this load, and then tomorrow I can take it to either get the tire patched or just take it so we can just get a new tire. So I just make sure I put that in the video so that everybody won't be in the comment, oh, you're not supposed to do that, or that's illegal, or it's not safe. I understand, but I'm trying to make it home. So we just did that real quick, and that's it. It's just a temporary fix. It's not permanent, temporary. I recommend everybody, all truck drivers, to get this airline. It just hooks right to the glad hands. Boom, you can put air in your tires, no matter where you at. All you'll do is just hook it to your red line and push your trailer brakes in, and you can put air in any of the tires. Locked and loaded, ready to roll. I was sleeping good. I can always tell when we get back in Maryland. It's 495. It's terrible. Bumps, potholes, dips, craters, everything. All the way from the beginning of 495 all the way to the end. Messed up my good sleep. But anyway, now that I'm woke, let's go check on Rob. You feeling, yo? You good?
What's up?
Feeling good?
Really? I would not feel good.
You gonna bring it back all the way from South Carolina?
All the way. All the way. We go back if it needs it.
Yeah, he just tripping. We're gonna go back next week. Man, I was sleeping good. But we back in Maryland, 495. Got a little bit to go, probably about like a half an hour to go before we get to Bell Camp.
A little stretch, nothing serious.
Just a little bit of time left. And after that, go home, get some cold brewskis.
That's more.
And we gonna chillax. Catch y'all back on when we get to the delivery. What's up, YouTube? We made it here to our delivery, and we getting unloaded. It's been a rough day. Tired, ready to go home, and ready to get my weekend started. But I just want to keep y'all updated on that flat tire that we had today. You know, that comes with it. That comes with the trucking industry. Sometimes you're gonna have stuff wrong with your truck. That's why it's always important to do a pre-trip. If I never did the pre-trip, I would have never found that flat tire. So always remember, do your pre-trip before you pull off. It'll save you some money later on down the line. All right, y'all stay safe out there, and I'll catch y'all at the next video.